Pre-bronze level cha-cha spot turns. First silent demonstration. Reverse angle. With the timing, so we have a basic timing here. We have 2, 30, 4, and 1. 2, 30, 4, and 1. Now, small little tips. So when we do spot turn, number one tip is to ability to pivot on your standing foot. So there is also two ways how you approach the first step. You can do it through the cross delay walk, or you can do slight hip twist step. But the key is this step. Learn to pivot on that heel, on the flat foot with the heel on the floor as fast as you can. Replace, and then you do cha-cha, chasse to the side. The same here. Pivot on your foot as fast as you can, and then continue to a side cha-cha. So in a way, spot turn is a combination of hip twist, pivot, and a side chasse. So we are hip twisting, pivoting, and then we're doing side chasse. The next tip for you would be, it's to focus your head as you turn. Focus your head as you turn. So there is a few versions to do. We like to do a simple one. So as you approach to a spot turn, as you do a hip twist, you change your head very fast. Focus on one point. Now you pivot, swing your head as fast as you can. Boom. Now when you replace, keep looking still straight to the previous direction. And now, as soon as possible, try to look at your partner as you're doing your chasse to the side. See the eyes of your partner. Cha, cha, cha. Give the arms and then continue with your spot turn. So this is a pre-bronze level spot turn. Cha, cha, cha.